Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unpackaging for you. Now this was actually my last silver pickup for a whole year, and I actually did a post on the silver forum asking for people to show me their suggestions of things they had for sale and something that would be really cool to buy before I stop buying any silver. Now, there was a number of different suggestions, and after going through all the different suggestions, the piece I chose was from Silverpunk. Now, Silverpunk, if you haven't heard of him, actually has his own YouTube channel, and I will leave a link to his channel in today's video's description. And he makes some really cool silver poured items. And this piece is very Halloween themed, and it's very suitable because the last day of my 365 days of being careful with money started on the 31st of October. So this piece is really suited to mark my year's anniversary of not spending money erratically. So let's get straight into the video. I've actually had this for a while. I wanted to open it a couple of weeks ago, but I kept forgetting, and it basically got mixed in with the silver that I put to one side to unbox throughout the whole year. And it doesn't have a number on it because it's a separate piece. It's the last piece, like I said, that I brought before I decided to do this challenge. But it got mixed in with everything else, and today is the day. And I'm actually really looking forward to seeing how this looks. So let's get straight into the video. Always really nicely packaged. I've actually been sent something before from Silverpunk, and it arrived exactly the same way in this really cool packaging. He always takes his pride in packaging his pieces, so they're definitely great if you want to buy someone a piece of silver for a gift, or if there's someone that you want to try and get interested in stacking precious metals and they think it's kind of boring stacking coins, they don't really understand it. This is a cool way to get people interested in precious metals by getting them something that's poured, something a little bit more personal, something a little bit different, something that kind of takes you away from the standard bullion coins. Because a lot of people, like I said, when they kind of hear about stacking and silver and gold and all the rest of it, they look at it as a kind of old investment. It's all about crypto now, isn't it, and the stock market and fractional shares and NFTs and all that kind of stuff. This is looked at as an older investment, but that's the reason why I love it so much, because it's a tried and tested investment. It stood the test of time, and the charts have proved that over a long period of time it's a very good way to protect your spending power against inflation. But like I said, something a bit personal, something poured is a good way of getting people that are not really into coins and bars into stacking. Now, we've got a really cool letter here as well. I didn't expect this. This is a nice long letter. Wow, okay, right, here we go. So let's get this focused in. Hey 365 Days of Silver, hope you're keeping well and cold turkey silver withdrawals aren't too bad. To ease the pain, please find enclosed your last piece for a whole year. We had so much fun pouring this one and was over the moon you picked it for your last piece. Some of the other items and coins in the competition were so cool, we were chuffed that you chose our little pour. The zombie head sculpture, as you can see, is now fully hallmarked and dated for 2023 by the Birmingham Assay Office. We have enclosed the 3D print also, minus the screw, so it really is a one-of-a-kind piece, never to be poured again. The other one we did with the cloak / veil on the sides has been melted down and sent back to the silver grain gods. So that's cool, because he actually poured two of these, and one of them looks slightly different, and I picked this one, and the other one's actually been melted down, so it really is a one-of-one piece. What do you think about doing a 365 Days of Silver / Silverpunk collaboration? Our process involves 3D modelling, 3D printing, and we wondered if you'd be up for doing a special one-off video where we design something together for casting and pouring. Maybe not your thing, so no worries if not. We just thought it might be fun. Cool, I really like the idea of that, so I'll get in contact with you and we'll see what we can come up with. We are looking forward to seeing your upcoming videos where your channel goes over the next 365 days. I'm sure you have some exciting stuff in the pipeline and I can't wait to see it. Cheers, Silverpunk. Really cool. Look at that. What a great letter. A lot of effort has gone into that, so really, really appreciate that. Thank you very, very much. Now let's see. Wow, it's got a real nice bit of weight. Really nice bit of weight. Right, let's get the other bits out of the way first, and we'll save the best till last. So this is the original 3D printed. Done an APM there and dropped it. This is the original 3D printed version. Look at that. Really cool, really nice to see. There's where the screw went in. Really nice to see how it starts off and kind of behind the scenes, if you like, of how these things are produced. And what really grabbed my attention to this piece is it looks much like a go-go. I don't know if you remember what these were, but when I was younger, I used to collect go-go's, and I still actually collect them a bit now. And I've got quite a large collection tucked away in storage as an investment. You can see it weighs 2.3 troy ounces. That's why it's got a nice bit of weight to it. 39's fine, 2023, mintage 1 of 1, zombie, 365, days of silver. Really, really cool, and there's a couple of stickers in there as well. Now let's see the star of the show. Wow, it does feel really, really nice in the hand. It feels heavier than 2.3 ounces. Wow, this is so cool. What a great way to start my 365 days of saving money. Look at that. What a beautiful piece. I really like the way that it's got this kind of antique effect, if you like. Really makes the detail pop. Wow, absolutely incredible. Look at those colours. Really, really cool. You can see you've got the hallmarks on there, if that's going to focus. This way round. Wow, what a stunning piece. So glad I picked this piece. Really, really cool. And it really does signify when I started my journey of saving money, because it was actually on Halloween. So I'm going to put this in my backdrop, and it'll remind me that I can start spending a little bit more cash when we reach Halloween again in 2024. But that feels amazing in the hand. Like I said, do go and check out Silverpunk's YouTube channel, where he makes some really, really cool videos, some really unique stuff. And because he 3D prints the molds, he can pretty much make whatever you want. And as he said in the letter, it'd be a really cool idea to do something together where we design something. I don't know what we could design. You'll have to let me know in the comment section any ideas, anything that you think would be really, really cool, especially if there's things that you really like the idea of seeing them in silver, but you haven't been able to find them anywhere on the marketplace. That would be really cool. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you come up with something that I think is really unique and really different, I might actually pick it when we make this collaboration video. But yeah, I really, really like that. Let me know what you think about this. What a gorgeous piece of silver. Thank you very much, SP, for the really nice letter as well. Look at the bottom of it. Wow, stunning, absolutely stunning. Where is he going to go? I'll put him there for now, and then we'll find a more permanent home when I do my next video. So yeah, thank you very, very much. Really cool unboxing. I actually really enjoyed that. I really like the fact that I've got the original 3D printed mold as well. That's really cool. That's really nice to keep. And like I said, please do leave your suggestions in the comment section. Something that you would like to see made in silver that you haven't yet seen. Something really unique. Something that would really look fantastic in silver. Let me know, because I really do think that the sky is our limit now that 3D printing is an option when it comes to pouring silver. It's the future, in my opinion, of pouring precious metals. So like I said, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks very much for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.